Assalamu alaikum and welcome to the Malik Motors. Today we are going to review about the cars that we are going to see in 2020 and 2021 that are going to be introduced in Pakistan. Today specifically we are going to talk about sedans, and for many years the sedan market in Pakistan, the competition is really like between Civic, City and Corolla. However, this is going to change now as a good variety of new sedan options are going to enter the market this year. So the first car that we are going to talk about today is Kia Cerato is well on the course to introduce Cerato sedan in Pakistan that will ideally be launched towards the end of the year. It will have a 1.6 liter engine under the hood with 6-speed manual and 6-speed automatic transmission options. Although there is no official word on the pricing as per sources. The Cerato will ideally be positioned between 1.8 liter Toyota Corolla Altis and 1.5 liter Yaris variants in terms of prices, thus creating a problem for both. The next car that we are going to talk about is the Proton Saga. It is another anticipated model that will begin reaching our markets ideally towards the end of this year. However, local assembled versions will begin rolling of the Proton assembly lines in Karachi from 2021. As per information, the Saga will have a slightly downsized 1299cc engine and will have 5-speed manual or 5-speed automatic transmission options. It will reportedly be priced around the 1.3 liter Toyota Yaris variants. The next car that's going to be introduced in Pakistan is going to be Chang'an Elswin. Another newcomer in the sedan battle ring will be powered by a 1.5 liter engine with 5-speed manual and 5-speed automatic transmission. The Elswin, as per reports, will be priced around the Toyota Yaris variants and will most likely be introduced either towards the end of the year or early next year. Next, we are going to talk about none other than the Toyota Corolla, the 11th generation Toyota Corolla, the 1.3 liter versions of which already got replaced by the Yaris variants, as entry-level offering in Toyota's lineup in Pakistan will soon be replaced by the new 12th generation model. The TGNA based all-new Corolla will be available in 1.6 and 1.8 liter engines only, whereas possibility of hybrid options cannot be ruled out either. The 12th generation Corolla sedan, which was already seen testing earlier this year, is also scheduled to be introduced either towards the end of this year or in the next first quarter of 2021. The next car in the lineup is none other than the Hyundai Elantra. Hyundai has a new market in Pakistan. It's not been there for a long time, but it has come with a bang and plans to introduce the Hyundai Elantra by the end of this year. Hyundai is in the process of launching the Elantra sedan towards the end of this year that will ideally take on the likes of Honda Civic and Corolla Altis variants. Although the Elantra does competes against the likes of Civic and Corolla in global markets, over here in Pakistan it's likely going to be positioned at a premium car and will compete against the high-end Corolla Altis Grande and the Civic Oriole Prosmatic variants. The Pakistan-bound Hyundai Elantra, having a 1.6 liter engine under its hood mated to a 6-speed automatic transmission, will be launched before the end of this year. The next car that is going to hit the Pakistani markets this year and the following year is Toyota Yaris. Toyota is putting all its weight behind the Yaris sedan, which was unfortunate to get its launch ceremony washed out due to COVID-19. And the first 2 months saw almost no sales due to lockdowns. Now, with sales slowly starting to pick up, it's only a few months of Toyota to get as maximum benefit possible since after the arrival of more options. The game isn't going to be that easy for Yaris in Pakistan. The advantage Yaris has is the presence of two engines, 1.3 liter and 1.5 liter, but will have so many competitors to worry about, as we have told you in the video. The next car that is the talk of the town in the local automotive industry that is in Pakistan is the Honda Civic. The current generation Civic made its world debut in 2015 as its set to be replaced by the 11th generation in international market towards the end of this year. Pakistan got the 10th generation model back in 2016, so one cannot expect the new model to arrive here before 2022. Hence, the 10th generation Honda Civic will continue to be sold here in the presence of almost all new competitors in the arena. So, from just 3 options to almost 8, the sedan market is sure set to see an interesting mix of existing as well as new vehicles, which will give buyers enough variety to choose from. What is your take on your upcoming competition in the sedan segment? Tell us in the comment box, and you can also tell us which more cars would you like us to review. Thank you very much for watching today's video. Please do like, share and subscribe to the Malik Motors. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.